Hi everyone, I'm Ruby.
And I'm Jack.
Welcome to our channel.
45 minutes. 45 minutes, Ruby.
Jack, you look like a zombie. What happened?
My neighbor, Mr. Henderson. I met him at the mailbox. I just wanted to say hello.
That is polite.
But then he started talking about his cat, and then his cat's diet, and then his cat's favorite toy, and then the weather.
And you couldn't leave?
I couldn't. I didn't know how. I just kept nodding my head. Yes. Wow. Oh, really? My legs hurt. I wanted to run away, but I didn't want to be rude. So I just stayed. Forever.
Oh, Jack, that sounds painful. You were trapped.
I was a hostage. A conversation hostage.
Listen to me. That is completely normal. It is the goodbye gap.
The goodbye gap?
Yes, many students learn how to say hello. They learn how to ask, "How are you?" But nobody teaches them how to stop.
Exactly. Starting is easy. Stopping is impossible. I feel like I only have two choices: stay forever or just turn around and run away without speaking.
Running away is definitely rude, but don't worry. Today, we are going to set you free. We are going to learn the polite exit.
Please, before I see Mr. Henderson again.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Talk English. I'm Ruby.
And I'm Jack, and I am stuck in a conversation.
Jack, ending a chat is like landing an airplane. You can't just crash. You need to come down slowly. We need a signal.
A signal? Like a flare gun?
No, a verbal signal, a word that tells the other person the conversation is finishing. The best words are anyway or well.
Just well?
It is all about the tone. You make the word long and a little bit loud. Well or anyway.
Anyway?
Exactly. When you say that, you usually look at your watch or look away for a second. It breaks the eye contact gently.
Okay, so Mr. Henderson is talking about his cat, and I interrupt him?
Wait for a tiny pause, even a breath, and then jump in. Anyway, Mr. Henderson.
Okay, the signal. But then what? I can't just say anyway and stand there.
Correct. Step 2 is the reason. You need a reason to leave. But here's the secret. You don't need a real reason.
I can lie?
It's a white lie. It is polite. The classic phrase is, "I'd better get going."
I'd better get going. That sounds difficult. I had better go.
Natives shorten it. "I better get going." Or even simpler, "I've got to run."
I've got to run. Even if I'm walking?
Yes, it just means I'm busy.
Okay. Anyway, I've got to run.
Perfect. But Jack, here's my favorite phrase. It makes you sound so nice. It is, "I'd better let you go."
I'd better let you go?
Yes.
But I'm the one who wants to go. He wants to stay.
That is why it's genius. You're pretending that you are doing him a favor. You're saying, "I don't want to keep you busy."
That is smart. It flips the situation.
Exactly. "Well, Mr. Henderson, I'd better let you go." It sounds very respectful.
I love that. I'd better let you go. I'm definitely using that.
So we have the signal, anyway, the reason, "I'd better let you go." Now we need the future.
The future?
You need to end on a positive note. Even if the conversation was boring, you say something nice about the future.
Like, I hope your cat lives forever?
That is nice, but maybe too specific. Try, "It was great catching up."
It was great catching up. Catching up. That means talking to a friend you haven't seen in a while.
Yes, or just "good talking to you."
Good talking to you. Simple.
And then the final step, "See you later" or "Have a good day."
Okay, there are 4 steps. That's a lot to remember while I'm panicking.
It becomes a habit. Signal, reason, future, goodbye.
Signal, reason, future, goodbye.
Let's practice. I want to try the aha moment.
A role play?
Yes, I'm your neighbor, Mrs. Smith. We're at the supermarket. I'm talking about my collection of spoons.
Spoons. Okay, I'm ready.
And you know, Jack, the silver spoon from 1902 is so shiny, but the wooden spoon is my favorite. I polish it every Tuesday. Do you like spoons, Jack?
Yes. Spoons are good for soup.
Exactly. And let me tell you about my fork collection. I have 300 forks.
Anyway, Mrs. Smith,
Oh?
I'd better let you go.
Oh, really?
Yes, it was great catching up about the spoons.
It was, wasn't it?
Have a wonderful day. Jack takes a step back.
Jack, that was perfect.
It worked. You stopped talking.
I did, because you gave me the signal. Anyway, I knew it was over.
And I'd better let you go. It felt polite. I didn't feel like a bad person.
You sounded very polite. You sounded like a busy, important man.
I am a busy man. I have coffee to drink.
See? You escaped.
Ruby, what if they don't stop? What if I say anyway and they keep talking?
Ah, the double talker. In that case, you have to be a little bit stronger. You use your body language.
Body language? Do I push them?
No, you start walking away. You take a step back. You check your imaginary watch.
Ah, the watch check. I'm good at that.
And you can say, I'm so sorry, but I really have to run.
I'm so sorry, but I really have to run. That's the emergency brake.
Exactly. Use that only for emergencies.
Okay, I feel ready. Next time I see Mr. Henderson, I will not be a hostage.
You will be free.
Anyway, Mr. Henderson, I'd better let you go. It's like magic words.
It is. And remember, Jack, leaving a conversation is not rude. Wasting time is worse.
That is true.
Well, Jack, anyway,
Hey, are you doing it to me?
I am.
I'd better let you go, Ruby.
It was great chatting, Jack.
See you later.
Friends, don't be a hostage. Practice your exit.
Tell us in the comments, do you have a neighbor who talks too much? How do you escape?
We want to hear your strategies. Please like and subscribe.
Have a good day.
Bye.